from another people. Quick update for you on my 26-inch full suspension. Well, taking it apart, washed it down, and this is what we have. The pedals that are originally on it, they were seized, so I couldn't get them off. The pedals that were on one of my other bikes was also seized, and I couldn't get it off. So, I got creative. I took the whole crank chain, pedal, everything, the whole assembly. I took it off the other bike, and I put it on this, on both sides. Now I have to get. Oh yeah, by the way, that bike being so old, it does have a small spindle, so I have to get new bolts for that spindle so that it won't fly off. But other than that, it seems to be coming along pretty good. The freewheel is on, the chain is on, the derailleur is on. Gave me a little bit of headache. But other than that, not bad. Not bad at all. So, once I'm finished with this, that'll be probably the last update for that one. Then we can go riding. Alright, talk to you later.